Unit 1. Lesson 4. Grammar. The adverb
很
The adverb
很
means to be, which is used to connect a subject and a stative verb. For example, in the sentence,
你的狗很可爱。你的狗
means your dog,
很
means to be,
可爱。
means cute. So the meaning of
你的狗很可爱。
is, your dog is cute. Here is another example. In the sentence,
他的弟弟很帅。他的弟弟
means his younger brother,
很
means to be,
帅。
means handsome. So the meaning of
他的弟弟很帅。
is, his younger brother is handsome. One more example. In the sentence,
林小姐很漂亮。林小姐
means Miss Lin,
很
means to be,
漂亮。
means beautiful. So the meaning of
林小姐很漂亮。
is, Miss Lin is beautiful. Next, here are 3 exercises for you. Please translate the following 3 sentences into Mandarin. Practice 1. His cat is cute. The answer is.
他的猫很可爱。
Practice 2. Your older brother is handsome. The answer is.
你的哥哥很帅。
Practice 3. My younger sister is beautiful. The answer is.
我的妹妹很漂亮。
This is the end of the video. Next, it's your turn. Make a sentence to describe your family or friend using
很
and write your sentence in the comment.